This is what I came in here for, guys. So here at Dollar General. Dollar. And you can stop right there. You can add all that up together. That's my total. So guys, as you see, this was everything that pennied out. And so you see my total, 12 cents. So guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you what my penny items were up close. Now this I saw when I was at the register, and it's just an ice cube tray with the lid. Well, ice cube tray with lid, and this is just the lids. But I have an ice cube tray, and so now I'm going to have the lids for it. That's the UPC, in case you wanted to see it. And then this is what one of the workers, I was in another aisle checking some more of the housewares in the NCI, and she came to the end of the aisle and she said, "This is a penny." And she did that with her mouth. And she was pointing, "You want me to put it in your cart?" So I said yes, because I left my cart in the aisle they were working at to go and look at another one. So I'll show you the UPC on that. But first, let me show you the gift box up close. And so this is the actual gift box that was a penny. So that'll make a nice Christmas when I do the Christmas baskets for the next year. And doubt if you'll find it, but you know, just for continuum, there's the UPC. And so here is that stool. See it up close? So she said, "This is an old penny." And so they were in there from all different types of stores, straightening that store out, because those shelves are a royal mess. I had been in this store and a couple of times. So things are like buried. So they found this. And see that green clover? It was $18, but it's a penny. So if you can get that UPC, see if your store has it. Good luck. And these I was so happy to get, because as you saw, one of them was just sitting in the, I was going to say Christmas aisle, but in the in the aisle where they have all of the Valentine's Day things. And this was up on a sky shelf. And I was like, "Oh, that looks weird." And so I went and I checked it, and sure enough, it scanned a penny, as you saw me scan it. That's the UPC for that. And then the other label, so that you can see what it looks like in your store, if you can find it, is that. And so as I went to the aisles where the other housewares was, where the other baskets were, I said, "Well, hey, there's another one." Then I knew what it looked like, so it was no need for me to scan it, even though I scanned it anyway, just to make sure. And then there was another, this size. So there are 3 sizes. There's this size, that size, and the bigger size. And so, you know, when this didn't have, oh yes it did. I was going to say one of them didn't, but all of them do have a UPC. And see, it's the same. And this UPC, let me show you it. Hold on, hold the line. There's the UPC for the smaller one. Oops, can you? There we are. That's better. And then there's this one, which should have the same UPC, I think, but just in case it doesn't, I don't think it is the same UPC, because it is a different size. So that's the UPC for that one. And so all of these were a penny, guys. Oh my goodness. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could use this for storage. I just love organization, especially with me doing these baskets. So this can make life easier. And then this is really what I came in there for. These buy one, get one. And so I got the gray ones, but then I got all 10. I got 10 of them. And the gray ones did not have 10 lids. They only had like 6. So I saw them on top of the refrigerated section, the freezer section. And that's where I wanted to go to get the other ones. But those over there on top of the freezer section were green. On the way to the freezer section, when I asked the employee, he said, oh, these over here? And I said, oh, is that part of it? He said, yes. So I said, well, give me those 4. So I got those 4 and those 4 lids. And one of them has some the ice tray. That's why you only see 3 lids. And I said, well, give me 4 of those, 6 of the gray ones. And that's what I did. And so I got that, and I got some other penny. What was that? Oh yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, this was the other penny item. Remember, that was just randomly sitting there, and I remember I do have one of 2 of these, so I'm going to put that in the Christmas container with the Christmas candy. This is the light bulb lolly, and it's the light up candy pop. I don't know if this in it. What does this have? Like little? It looks like a little light in it. That is so cute with the swirls and everything. And it's green apple. So I'll show you the UPC. I don't know if you'll be able to find this, but just for continuum, there it is. Then lastly, I was like, hey, why not? It's a penny. Christmas ornament hangers. So maybe I can hang something in a basket or secure something some kind of way. It's almost like a paper clip, but it hangs the ornament. So this, I'm sure I can repurpose this and use it for something else, because I doubt if I will have an ornament. I don't even put up a Christmas tree. And the lady did say they found a Christmas tree, and then she said, if you want one, I said, I'll pass. So anyway, that's the UPC for that. But I should have gotten it because I don't even know how much it was, but she said that there was a Christmas tree. I guess I could have got it and gave it away to someone else, but I didn't think about that. So, well, guys, that's it for my penny haul. So I had 12 items, as you saw my receipt, and those 12 items were 12 cents. So that's what I got. I got the 3 ice cube tray holders, so the toppers. That was 3. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the baskets. That was 7. The lollipop thing was 8. The ornament was 9. Where are my other penny items? I'm missing something. I know everything was 12 cents. So what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me look at my receipt. But anyway, you saw it was 12 cents. So I know I'm missing something else. Oh, the stool. That. So, yeah, I don't know where the box. See, there it is. There are all my items. I'm telling you, I'm tired. So I've got to go and put some bows on some gifts. Yeah. So guys, let me know. Did you score anything before or after this penny? Did you get this? How much did you pay for it? And did you get any of the totes? What did you get? Where are you watching me from? There's so many questions I have, right? And put it in the comments. I'm trying to get you guys to interact. Thank you for those who are interacting. I wish I would have gotten 2 of these. I don't think I got this from Dollar General. Maybe I got it from Family Dollar. It smells so good. I took it out of the plastic, and when you walk in the house, you smell the cinnamon. And I use it as a broom because that's what it is, right? And so, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. You take care and be well. Hopefully you enjoyed my penny shopping and my penny haul. So let me go and put these things up and put some things in these totes right now. All right, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.